Hey guys, welcome back to Basan's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna do something different. Most of the time we do recipes that are already prepared, like the biryanis and the pastas and everything else. But now I'm gonna show you the other side of cooking, the recipes that I create, but I haven't cooked them yet. This is a recipe that I created for my vegan menu that I'm gonna be sharing very soon. I created it about last week. We've talked it over, and then I thought, why shouldn't we make this recipe on camera with my YouTube family? Guys, it's gonna be an awesome but simple recipe. So let's get started, Basan style. I'm gonna go over the ingredients really quick with you guys. We have chopped red onions, black beans, chopped cilantro, sweet corn, avocados, lemons. So these over here are sweet plantains, but once we deep fry them, they're gonna call Maduros. It's very simple, it's really cool, and this is gonna act as meat, but vegan, because we can use actual proteins. I personally love sweet plantains. They have this sweet texture, and they're hot, they're nice and crispy on the outside, and inside they're soft and gooey. I'm gonna show you how to work it. They're awesome. Okay guys, we have the ingredients in. It's a fast moving recipe, so we're gonna get started Basan style. I'm gonna start off with 1 cup of corn. I'm gonna do 1 cup of black beans. Gonna do half a red onion chopped, just rough chop, and half bunch cilantro chopped. And this is gonna be the base of the wrap. I'm gonna season it with 1 teaspoon of black pepper or to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, again to taste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. I won't like to go overboard on this because it's gonna get too spicy. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, less if you don't like too much oil, but I really love olive oil. About half a lemon, just squeeze it in, make sure you don't get any seeds. And the coolest thing is, look how pretty it looks. The color is gorgeous, and then very gently just mix it all, and it smells so fresh. Okay, so the mix is ready. We're gonna let it sit. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and we're gonna start with the cool stuff. We're gonna start deep frying the sweet plantain. It's a cool process. It makes the whole difference. You're gonna see it's awesome. What I like to do is I like to take the ends off, and then you go in the middle with the knife. Peel it off like a banana. Wow. Looks so awesome. And same thing over here. Just peel it off. Now what you do is you go in the middle and just cut it in half. And cut it in straight. Just like that. Drop the baskets down, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting them in the oil. I like to ease them in. The most important thing in this is that the oil has to be really clean. You see how clean my oil is? This is a must, because you don't want your Maduros or your sweet plantains to take the flavor of the oil, because that's just gonna ruin the flavor. Just drop it in. See this? See, as they're cooking, they're changing color. They're gonna get deep golden color. This is like par cooked. You're gonna drop it in and let it cook. This is it, guys. They're ready. This is the color you want. They're nice and golden. You're gonna let it rest. Then I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put them on the wax paper, and then we're gonna lightly season them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly season them, but you have to season them right when they're hot, not when they're cold, so you want the seasoning to stick to it right away. This is it. I'm gonna lay down my black bean wraps. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about a handful to 2 handfuls. Let's do 2 handfuls of the mix we made. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my plantain, sweet plantain, put it right in the middle. So I'm gonna take avocados out. Take the pit out. Well, make sure your pit is not stuck to the knife. Just fan it out. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of hot sauce, just a little bite, not too much, just a little. This is it, guys. Everything is ready. Now we're gonna do the coolest thing in the world. I'm gonna fold the wraps. So you fold it from the side with your thumbs. You take it and make sure you fold it tight. So control it, and it's going in, not out. Check this out. I'm gonna do it again. You take it from the sides, fold it in, and with your thumbs, bring it in. Remember, it's going inwards. So the more you tuck it in, the tighter the wrap. And check it out, Basant style. What I like to do is after I fold my wraps, I like to grill them on my pan. So what it does is it sears the bottom and it holds it really tight so the wrap doesn't open up. It's a cool trick, but it works every single time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the wrap down. Wow, look at that. That is the coolest thing in the world. So I want you guys to see is how I folded this wrap. I want you to see how tight it is, because all the ingredients mostly are a little wet because it has lemon juice, olive oil, and the wet ingredients itself. It should be falling apart, everything should be coming out, but like the trick I showed you, how you fold everything in. So once you do that, everything stays in its place. You see how tight the fold is? This is the technique. It's worth $1 million. So this is it, guys. The wraps are ready, they're cut, and they look super hot. Now we're gonna move on to my ultimate favorite part. We're gonna start plating. Plating we're gonna do obviously in a rustic way. I'm gonna serve it with deep fried plantain chips and leftover Maduras. It's a cool, simple thing to do, but it makes all the difference, the sun style. So I'm gonna plate the wraps right here. So these are plantain chips. We fried the yellow Maduras or the sweet plantains, and this is the green plantain. You smash it and then you deep fry it. And then after we plate them, what we're gonna do is we're gonna season them. And they smell so good. It's like my favorite food to eat. This is it, guys. The wraps are ready. I showed you a really cool trick to how to fold them. I showed you how to put them together. I showed you how to deep fry the sweet plantains. And the plating is on point. We have deep fried plantains in the middle and leftover Maduras with a little bit of hot sauce, a little rustic, definitely Basant style. Guys, this is the first time I made this recipe. It was a little nerve-wracking, but I hope you guys enjoyed it because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll be posting a lot more vegan recipes, Basant style. Take it for a spin. 11. Oh my god. That's probably the coolest thing I've created. I wish you guys can try it. It's so fresh. And you have a little plantain chip. I wish I could cook this for you guys because this is the sun style.